Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures and I am Pragati.
And I'm Malika.
And Happy New Year from us to you.
Happy New Year.
And we hope 2021 turns out to be really
Yeah.
amazing for you and your family and for us as well.
And hope you had a great celebration welcoming 2021.
Yeah, for the New Year's, and I hope this year is a really promising and amazing year. And today, on that note, we've got you something very fun, and it's a fun game where we both are going to play. And if you guys are with your family or with friends, and you guys are also stuck at home and don't have much to do, then you guys can try this game out.
It's fun and you will love it because we definitely love the idea of playing this game.
Yeah, and so the game goes like we are going to select 5 edible items, and we're going to tie a cloth on the other person's eyes, and the person doesn't know what products are there, and then we're going to keep those food items and feed the other person.
And the person has to guess what it is, which is what makes it the most exciting and interesting.
And guys, you guys can get really creative with the food. Go off with, coffee,
Amla juice, or
achar, कुछ भी सोच लो यार, कुछ भी डालो. So we are going to play the game now, and you guys can see how we play the game, and let's see who wins. I'm hoping to win this one.
I don't think you can win with me.
No, I will win. Let's see who wins. Let's see. You are rooting for who? Me or she?
Let's see who wins.
So guys, we are going to start our game now, and we have the 5 products ready, which Malika is going to taste and guess what these products are. So let's start with the first one. Let's start with the most easiest one, which I'm sure she'll guess easily, which is this. So let's start. You'll easily guess. Open your mouth. Wider. Bada mukh kholo.
Really? Lychee?
Yeah, kaun si lychee? Choti badi?
Choti lychee.
Correct. You got the first one correct. Let's start with the second one. Now, I think she will be able to guess it, but let's see. So this one is this.
Go secret.
Yeah. So open your mouth. Open your mouth. Wider.
This is flax seeds.
No.
Isn't it that some seeds, mustard seeds or some seeds?
With seeds. Seeds, I know. There's some seeds with seeds.
The vitamin D wala seeds.
I don't know which are vitamin D seeds. What seeds is this?
I don't know what it's called, but I know what it is. It's in that jar. It's green and yellow in color, small seeds. Yeah, pumpkin seeds.
Deepak, chup raho tum. Okay, I'll give this to her, but these are not pumpkin seeds. These are melon seeds.
Yeah, melon seeds.
Okay, let's do the third one. Now this is... Let's see if she can guess this one. I think she'll be able to guess, but let's see. Open your mouth.
This is that cake decoration.
No,
Isn't it?
no, not at all.
What is it?
Guess no.
It's a little tangy. Tastes something like orange. What is it? I know.
When you see it later. Okay, let's go on to the fourth one. So you've got 2 correct and 1 wrong. Okay, let's see. This is... So this one is the fourth, and I think she'll easily guess it. But let's see. Open your mouth. Wider.
This is a plum cake.
Yeah, that's right. She's correct. She guessed it. Let's do the last one, and that's the 5th one. Let's see if she can guess this or not. Open your mouth.
Why do you have to put this? Some ganda Szechuan sauce, I think it is.
No, it is not Szechuan sauce.
It is that Maggi sauce which is hard.
No, not at all. It is not at all Maggi sauce.
What sauce is it? It tastes like Szechuan sauce.
No, you've had this quite a lot of times.
Is it idli wali sauce?
No.
It's some sauce.
Some sauce is okay with sauce.
वापस दिखाओ.
नहीं, एक ही बार टेस्ट होगा.
Sandwich spread sauce.
No.
Okay, I know. This is that pizza and pasta spread.
Yeah, you are right. So you got 4 right out of 5. And I'll show you what all. What is the one thing which you got wrong?
Yeah.
Was lollipop. It was lollipop which you got wrong.
How did you crush all of it?
Oh, उससे कूटने वाले से भी जो thought I am doing.
Okay, nice. Now let's see if
So
you
your
can-
score is 4 out of 5. So let's
Okay.
see. Now it's my turn. I'm really scared, but let's see.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we have Pragati here. Let's see if she can guess it. Before starting, I would just like to show you these are the things.
I'm really scared now because Deepak has helped her in fighting things, and
You should be scared. Okay, do you want to have the best thing first or the worst thing first?
I think first would be better.
Can't decide which one is the worst here. Okay, this is what I'm giving her first. Open your mouth. How does it taste?
Apple cider vinegar.
Are you sure?
Vinegar or apple cider vinegar?
Do you want to taste it again?
No,
Are you
It is-
sure?
it's vinegar or it is it is most probably apple cider vinegar, but it can amla juice. Amla juice.
Look up, look here. Look up.
Amla juice or apple cider. Amla juice.
Okay, you're right. It's amla juice. Next we have this. Okay, open your mouth.
Is it as bad as before?
No, this one is good. Open it.
Kiwi.
Yeah, correct. That is a kiwi. Next, okay,
Bad or good?
you decide. Okay, open your mouth wide. What is it? What does it taste like?
Rye.
It is the mustard.
Rye.
Yeah. Okay, you're going strong now. Let's see if she can guess this.
अच्छा है बुरा है.
Acha hai, nice. Yeah, I've also given you nice things till now. Open it wide.
Complex.
Yeah. Okay, the last.
Looks like I'm winning this one. अच्छा है बुरा है.
It's nice if you put it in a different form. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Before we go, this is what it is. Okay, ready? Why? Open your mouth.
हल्दी है.
No, it's not
Yeah.
healthy. No. No, not methi powder also.
धनिया पाउडर.
No,
मिर्ची.
no,
जीरा पाउडर. गरम मसाला.
no.
I don't know.
Okay.
No. I know. Wait.
Okay, so I'm just going to open and then you see what it is, okay?
So bad. It was so bad. It was the worst.
Okay, see. This is what it was. It was chai or tea masala.
I could never have guessed.
It's a
So
tie.
it's a tie, so no one wins. But it was a fun game.
Yeah.
We enjoyed playing it, and we hope you enjoyed watching us trying some really dirty things and some of the nice things that I gave her to taste.
If you do try this game, let us know how it worked out for you guys.
Yeah, you guys can play it with friends, with siblings, and in family as well. So do try the game out and do let us know in the comment section how do you find the game, and anyone of you win or was it a tie for you as well?
And what all products you use, be creative.
Yeah, and we'll be waiting for your comments.